What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide your Facebook friends list. So let's head over to our Facebook application first. Make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines on the top right. And in here, scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Now go to settings. And once you're in your settings and privacy, scroll down until you find how people can find and contact you option under audience and visibility section. Head over there. Now here you can see who can send you friend request and who can see your friends list. So go to who can see your friends list. So as you want to hide your friends list, what you need to do is just to check mark it on only me. It says the number of friends that you have is public. If you set this to only me, others may still see that you are friends with someone when viewing their friends list. Mutual friends are always visible. So what you need to do is just to tap on only me and then just save it. And now your friends list is hidden. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.